Hi, today, so what I'm going to be doing is I am going to show you all of my LPS on LPS Cream Pie. I have my pug, my basset, or whatever type of dog, my pit bull, this type of dog what I'm not necessarily sure of, this husky, this boxer, this other husky, this type of dog, I'm not sure what it is though. And this one even though I'm not really quite sure what it is though. And this one I'm not sure what it is, so I'm going to guess a sheepdog, and a Dalmatian, and a Cocker Spaniel, and another pug, and I'm not sure what type of dog this is, and I have a poodle, and I'm not sure what type of dog this is. I think it's a sheepdog, and I have another pit bull, but I'm not sure what the other one that looks similar, it might not be a pit bull, I'm not sure though. And I have a dog I'm not sure of, I think it's a collie, and I have another sheepdog, and a type of dog that I'm not sure of, and a type of dog that I'm not sure of, and a type of dog that I'm not sure of, and if you have seen the show, this is one of the characters from the show, so thanks for watching.